Hi, I'm Georgie and I work in the marketing department.
Hi, I'm Ree and I work in the compliance team.
Hello, my name's Chloe. I work in external sales.
I wanted to become a wellbeing champion as I wanted to support the people I'm working with. I wanted to learn more about mental ill health and how I can use it in my personal life, as some of my family members go through mental health, and I wanted to be able to support them as well.
I've seen so many people suffer with mental ill health and I really wanted to be able to support them and listen to them in a non-judgmental way.
Going through bad times myself, I've been like quite a low point. I wanted to give advice and help others out there, because there's nothing worse than feeling like you haven't got people around you.
Movement is obviously really important for us, and especially for me working in a desk-based job, I like to get up and walk around, whether that's going to speak to a colleague or making a cup of tea. But in terms of like my day-to-day life, I have a Dalmatian, Martin his name is, and I like to walk him, take him out at lunchtime, and obviously we like to go on long walks on the weekend as well, so it's important to get moving.
After years of insisting that I hate the gym, I recently discovered that it was that I didn't have the right gym or I wasn't doing the right exercise. So I've managed to find a place that I love to go to, and it gives me less opportunity to find excuses not to go.
It has a lot of effect on your mental health without people even realising. Getting up, going for a walk is so important.
So we invite local therapists on site on a regular basis, and it is my absolute favourite thing that Häfele offers for mental wellbeing.
Other things we offer are yoga classes and massages, all to relieve stress while at work.
You can just sort of pop away from your desk for 20 minutes, have a back massage, and then go back to your desk feeling completely refreshed and rejuvenated. And the best thing is that it's covered under Westfield Health, so we can claim back the cost of it, and that's absolutely fantastic. It's a complete win-win.
And then obviously we have us Wellbeing Champions. We're all dotted around the office, and we've been trained in order to support you and help you whenever you need. So I would always say it is important to talk, important to tell people how you're feeling.